In this tutorial, I will show you how to print BQ. To print the BQ, first you will have to double-click the build and go to the element level. Before printing, you can adjust the BQ layout setting by clicking to the BQ printout setting. Here you can make some adjustment as required. Once you have done, click on the element or trait list and click Print BQ. You can choose either to print all or you can print by element. Printed BQ will be auto-downloaded in PDF file format. As you can see here, system will auto-generate the menu bar header with continued collection and also the summary.